In this video, I'll show you how to record personal expenses in QuickBooks Online using the new interface so your business reports remain clean and only reflect actual company activity. Start by opening the Transactions menu on the left panel and going into Bank Transactions where all downloaded entries from your connected accounts appear. Make sure the correct bank or card account is selected, then locate the personal charge and review the date, amount, and description carefully to avoid misclassification. Open the transaction details, assign a payee if needed for better tracking, and choose a dedicated personal expense category so these entries stay separated from normal business costs. If such a category does not exist, create one under expense accounts to maintain proper reporting structure. After confirming everything, click Add, and the item will move out of the review list, indicating it has been recorded correctly. Repeating this simple workflow helps prevent distorted profit reports and reconciliation confusion later. Subscribe for easy tech tutorials and honest software walkthroughs every week.